Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system, not with endless checks, but with immediate action. Ensure you have roughly 20% free disk space or 20 GB and pause third-party antivirus so it cannot block files. Once done, unplug non-essential USB drives to avoid driver conflicts. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Troubleshoot and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This targets common issues automatically and gathers the error codes you'll need for deeper fixes. Now you run the deeper tools that fix corrupted system files and update components. Open an elevated command prompt, run sfc/scano to repair files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch clean components. This can take 10-30 minutes. After that, stop Windows Update services, rename software distribution, and cacheroute 2 folders to force fresh downloads, then restart services. Reboot the PC and retry the update. If it fails, record the error code so you can target the next step precisely. To finish, perform an in-place upgrade using the Media Creation tool. This preserves apps and files while replacing damaged update components. Before you proceed, create a restore point or full system image so you can revert if needed. Once the in-place upgrade completes, make sure Windows Update runs cleanly. If updates still fail, capture the exact error code and check Windows Update logs. Then use that code when contacting Microsoft support or searching targeted fixes. This precise info saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.